Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm so grateful you took a moment out of your day to spend it with me, your guide to all things crypto and DeFi. Now, before we begin, remember, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, just a dad who enjoys exploring the crypto and DeFi space. And if you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this content with anyone who wants to expand their knowledge of crypto and DeFi. Also, please consider checking out our webpage, dadsdefispace.org, free educational articles on DeFi, crypto, a free course, and my community. And consider connecting with me on X, CryptoZone 1013, and Telegram Dad DeFi 1013. Enough of the introductions. Let's get to today's video. We're going to take a look at how to create your own meme coin. Now, I'd like to start by saying, obviously, none of this is financial advice. PUMP.fun, if you've heard us talk about it before, very, very fun to play with. This is the meme coin casino of Solana, but be careful. Be careful. This is full of rug pulls and scams and everything else. It's just, it is a smorgasbord of degens, but it can be fun. You never invest more than you can afford to lose. And even some of your favorite projects have started on Pump, such as Fartcoin, right? AI Play, Pump.fun. Also, I'm considering opening up what would be a Dad's DeFi Space group. I already have my group below. You can check it out at dadsdefispace.org. But I want to make it more available and start doing my live streams through there. And I'll probably offer a airdrop token for people who want to be a part of my private community. More of that in the future. We're working on it. It's going to be called Dad Bod Token, and but that's a few weeks away. What I'd like to talk about today, though, is how you can create your own meme. I played around with this the other night with my elementary age daughter, and she wanted to create her own WrenRainbowKitty coin. Pump.fun basically allows anyone to create their own meme coins, but all the coins created on Pump are fair launch. It means every single person here has equal access to buy, to sell, when the coin is first created, right? So you pick a coin you like, you buy it on the bonding curve, and I think the bonding curves are $4,100. You can sell at any time to lock in your profits or losses, right? But if the coin hits the bonding curve, and then basically a liquidity pool is made to it, right? So you have to log in to be able to do this. I log in with my Phantom wallet, and you'll have to approve the transaction. And if you look at this main page, right? Yeah, that's me, Rainbow Degen. I couldn't really come up with a better name. That's my wallet. I just keep a small amount in it at a time, minus a few of my liquidity positions. And this is the main page of Pump. So first off, this is where you can create a coin. Click on just one of these. We'll do that in one minute. You even get rewards when you create a coin. I have created a few coins. You can see all the coins here that came off of Pump. You have House Coin, Godius Maximus, if you remember Go, which was kind of early AI stuff. At the bottom of the main screen, you see all the most current coins right here. This is some kind of Jesus coin, Poor coin, Cat Wolfman coin. There's a cool Chill God kind of rip off McDonald's one, whatever. I mean, there's hundreds and thousands and millions of these. I mean, a little kid could make them, right? So I'm going to show you how anyone can make a coin. We're going to just make something random, okay? And then I'm going to show you some that my daughter made. So right here, I want you to click Create Coin. We're going to come up with a name, right? We're going to call this coin Pumpy Token, right? It's going to be called the Pump It Token. Now, All right, so now we got our description. Um, it allows you to add social links if you have them. You just cut and paste them into here. And right, X, Telegram, website, et cetera. And then once you have the name, the ticker, and any other additional Pumpy token, right? And we have Jerome Powell as our logo. And then all we got to do after we get all of this set up, right? And then if I want to, I can buy a little bit of it. I mean, I'm only going to buy like a couple tokens just because I made it. And I doubt many other people are going to buy much of it. So that's going to be our new coin icon, coin icon. And then we have all our information here. You can see all the trades occurring here, and we put create coin. And then I'm going to buy 0.01 SOL of it, create coin, click. And then all I have to do is confirm my transaction on the Solana blockchain, right? It's awesome. And we just created a new meme coin, and here it is. Boom, right? Yes, you get a little bit of creator rewards if and when people buy the token. There's also some bots on here that buy like basically any coin that's made, because you never know. Oh, there it is. See, that first buy just happened right there, right? Right there. Not very much, but hey, you know, something is something, right? Anyway, this is just something fun to play with. I would never do not use any of this information to cheat, steal, or lie. Dad would not like that. But I just think it's neat. So let's take a look at this meme coin that my daughter made the other day. I got about $5 to $7 of it in my wallet. You can see right here, one of the holders sold off right there. And this is WenRainbowKitty. All right, WenRainbowKitty. Inspired by a real conversation with my 8-year-old daughter, but basically, she loves rainbows and she loves kitty cats. And I like Bitcoin, and she helped me design this one. So, if you want to buy some pennies of it, obviously, I'm not forcing anyone, not financial advice. Meme coins are risky, just fun to play with. I'm going to show her whether it completely flops over the next 3 months or nothing happens at all, or people start buying it. I find it kind of funny, right? So anyway, we're just going to leave it at this. And I hope you enjoyed this stream. Right now, we're just kind of looking at, So, I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial on how to create your own coin. You could create this for kind of for membership perks. You could do this just for the fun of it. You could make a community coin. It's awesome. It's fun. But I wouldn't expect to make a bunch of money off of this. This is not something to risk a bunch of capital in, just something fun to do for the gambling degenerates out there. Anyway, thank you for staying with me the entire video, and I hope you are leaving a little bit smarter about either crypto or DeFi. Like and subscribe to help support the channel. Check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. If you really want to consider developing your DeFi game, check out Crypto Labs Research Underdog Investment Group, the best DeFi private community in this space. And if you're interested in trading on a non-KYC exchange, check out our link from Weeks, $30,000 of USDT, or if you're not interested, maybe Blowfin or BitUnix. The links in the description are affiliates, but they do help support the channel. Again, thank you and have a grateful day. Peace.